Hello and welcome back to Innoven Foods. I'm Nahida and today I'm bringing you a quick and instant treat, egg paratha. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of flour, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 1/2 cup of water. Mix it well until it becomes a smooth lump-free batter. In many Asian countries, egg paratha are a popular street food and breakfast favorite. Set it aside for a few minutes to rest. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion and 1 chopped green chili. Resting the batter helps make the paratha smoother and prevent tearing while cooking. Sprinkle in half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and half teaspoon coriander powder. These egg paratha are high in protein and fiber, a great way to start your day. You are using minimal oil, make it lighter than most fried snacks. Crack in 2 eggs and scramble everything together until fully cooked. You can add chopped spinach or carrot to the batter for extra nutrition. Homemade paratha are fresh and preservative free, perfect for kids and adults alike. Set aside. Now it's time to make the paratha. Grease a pan with a little oil. Pour a thin layer of the batter and spread it out evenly. Always spread the batter thinly for soft and flexible paratha. Cook for about 1 minute, then flip. Use a non-stick pan for perfect flipping with no sticking or mess. Place the egg filling on one side. This simple dish can be customized in countless ways with different fillings and spices. Fold the paratha over as shown and press gently. Don't overfill, too much filling can break the paratha when folding. Add a little more oil to the sides and fry both sides well until golden and crispy. And there you have it, soft and flavorful egg paratha, ready to serve hot and fresh. They are quick, filling and packed with taste. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like the video, share it with your food-loving friends and subscribe to Innoven Foods for more delicious and easy recipes. Until next time, take care, eat well and keep cooking with love.